Good, how are you?
Not bad, not bad.
How can I help you?
So, can I get the Kingston burger, please?
The Kingston burger with barbecue sauce? Okay, all right, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hot dog brown mustard? Yeah. Go for it. Hot dog or brown mustard?
All right. Kingston burger, barbecue sauce. And then we have another hot dog. John?
Yeah, I got a dog. Brown mustard.
Dog with brown mustard?
You just play with the brown mustard.
Yeah, yeah.
Almost the end of the week, almost. It's funny, I was going to say it's cooler, but still it's cooler. Yeah, humidity is what kills dude. Right. Oh, you did say that. You did say that. Take it back? I guess. How's everything at the port? Well, it was good. It was good. Yeah. It was a good experience for us, yeah. It was, yeah. Nice. You guys had a catering event, right? Yeah, we did actually a festival, excuse me, festival. Okay. So a music festival. Yeah. That's nice. It was good. It was good. Well, I didn't have to rap.
Huh? Oh, I didn't hear, so. I didn't hear. Your hot dog is done, Bill.
Oh, this. Come every day if I can. But when you do anything that tastes really good is.
We appreciate that. Thank you. Bye. You too. Oh, I'm forgetting something.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I don't think I did the best wrap job. Okay. Here you go. Thank you so much, Nick.
Thank you, of course. Thank you. Catch you around, guys.
Enjoy. Take care. Bye.
Bye. See you, bro.